Good morning! Good morning, Manang!
Morning!
From California to Nevada, then to Texas.
No, we're not going to Texas. Sorry. From Las Vegas, we're going to Arizona. So we'll have a quick stop at the Hoover Dam, and we're going to the Grand Canyon. See ya.
This is Lake Mead.
Lake Mead National Recreation Area.
Impounding body of water for Hoover Dam.
Sige, mag-vlog ka, Arina.
We are now in Boulder City. Approaching whatever.
When I first came in here in Hoover Dam, we don't have to walk. It's just like we have to pass by the highway. But now I can't imagine. I can't imagine it would be a long walk going up to Hoover Dam. There's a ramp if you don't want to take the stairs, but taking the stairs is shorter. Hello mga taga-Dampas!
Wala nga ba? Mga papel ha? Babilas! Why papel? Why papel?
And this is Hoover Dam. It's Hoover Dam. Ooh-wee. This is my second time, but this one is different. Entrance tagpila.
1, 2.
And we got it for free. There's a restroom here when you get here, and Manang is right beside me. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're heading to the restroom first.
We are here. We
We are the
Dilas! Where we are now? Where we are now?
Grand Canyon.
No!
Asa man ba?
Power Blast Bunker Lot!
Grand Canyon Visitor Center. Oh, I have only 1 to 2 hours. What should I do? Walk to Mother Point. We better go to the Mother Point.
Picture na sila sa Manang, ano yan? Tana, lakaw na. Bagan kanyang visitor center niya. Pwede na.
Oh, dito kayo Mar.
You have to go to the Mother Point because we don't have enough time. That's the reason.
When we enter.
You are here.
Amin bitaw. Kasi sa amin.
Ano ba sa amin, good ate?
Ikaw diha na ato ani dad, ato may sa amin. Ito may sa amin. Di ni mauto sa pupunta ko.
So we are heading to the
Master point.
Mother Point.
Master.
Mother ba?
T-H-E-R, my God.
Hindi ba Mother? Mother Point. If you don't have enough time, you better go straight to the Mother Point. And that's it. Pansit. Hi, Ams.
Hi. Seksugo.
Hagnak lagi. Woo!
Dito tayo, dito.
Hangak. Hangak man. Over here. Over here, manong. Libot, libot. Anong, ang hair. Over here. Almost. We're almost there. Ooh. Yay. We better go here. There's no cover. Di ba kita dare? Ito to? Ate, dede ba to? Ari da? Uy, ali. Ato to, Emso. Ari da?
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning gown. Would you follow me to wonders? Take my hand and walk beside me in a world of thunder. Fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in. So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before. You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left, I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to find. Would you follow me to wonder if you're everything that matters to me? Makes me wonder why I can't get over. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
What can you say? What can you say about the Grand Canyon?
So amazing. God's creation. Over amazing.
How about you?
It's abundant blessing. Abundant amazement.
Amen to that. Oh, what can you say about the Grand Canyon, Ems? Even though it's your 10th time.
Oh, it's always amazing every time.
And we're going to church here in by Grand Canyon, and it's called El Cristo Rey. El Cristo Rey Rectory Chapel.
Suddenly, or to be alarmed. either by a spirit or by an oral.
Oh, that's nice. So we are here on the other part of the Grand Canyon, which is called the Bright Angel. And my sister was staying here before, and they stayed here exactly. So when you wake up in the morning, you'll be able to see right away the Grand Canyon. Why are you laughing? Look.
Nice.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes.
Nagpicture pa rin.
Ya, lingkod.
Smile! Ang tingin, wala namang tinatanaw.
Click lang, click lang.
Klek, klek ng klek, klek, klek ng klek, klek, klek ng klek. And we'll have a group picture again at the Grand Canyon National Park sign. It's a welcome sign, but for us, it's a goodbye sign of Grand Canyon. Kay last month.
Go Ams, go Ams.
Go and smile! Nice! Next, next! Next, ate! Dali, dali, bilis! Si Manang, sulo, sulo! Dali, Manang, go, Manang, go, Manang! Dali, dali! Dali, Manang, solo, solo! Dali, bilis! Manang Mar! Yeah, thank you, Grand Canyon! Thank you, Grand Canyon! Sinumar naman, sinumar!